Today, we're going to focus on an often underestimated diagnostic tool, the brake warning light and ABS warning light, along with their critical wiring and associated components. Understanding what these lights tell us and how to verify their operation is fundamental to efficient and accurate hydraulic and ABS system diagnosis. When a vehicle rolls into your bay with a brake concern, your first step, even before the road test, should be to verify the operation of both the brake warning light and the ABS warning light. This isn't just about whether they're on or off, it's about how they behave. Pay attention to their initial illumination sequence when the ignition is turned to on. Simultaneously, perform a thorough visual inspection of all brake system wiring. Are there any signs of damage, fraying, or improper routing? Corrosion at connectors can also be a silent killer of electrical signals. This basic visual check can save you hours down the line.
Let's break down what these lights are trying to tell us. Brake warning light illuminated. If only the brake warning light is on, it generally points to a malfunction in the hydraulic system or the parking brake system. ABS warning light illuminated. If only the ABS light is on, this is your immediate cue to connect your scan tool and check for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. The ABS system has robust self-diagnostic capabilities, and a stored code will guide your troubleshooting significantly. Both brake and ABS lights illuminated. When you see both the brake warning light and the ABS light illuminated, this is a more critical indicator. It typically signals a loss of brake fluid pressure in one of the hydraulic circuits, or that the brake fluid reservoir level is critically low. Many vehicles incorporate a brake fluid level sensor directly in the master cylinder reservoir. This sensor is designed to activate the brake warning light when the fluid level drops below a specified threshold, often due to pad wear or, more critically, a leak. Now let's talk about the pressure differential warning switch. This is a clever safety feature. In a dual-circuit hydraulic system, this switch is designed to alert the driver if pressure is lost in one of the circuits. Under normal braking, hydraulic pressure is balanced on both sides of a piston within the valve, keeping the switch contacts open. But if a leak develops in one circuit, the higher pressure in the intact circuit will push the piston, closing the switch contacts, completing the circuit, and illuminating the brake warning light. Remember, many modern vehicles use a combination valve that integrates this pressure differential valve with the metering and proportioning valves. Following your initial observations, broaden your visual inspection. Check the brake fluid level and meticulously inspect all hoses, lines, and fittings for any signs of leaks or damage. Ensure all hydraulic components are in good condition.
For the ABS system, specifically examine the wheel speed sensors and their reluctors, the toothed rings. Look for any physical damage, excessive corrosion, or debris lodged between the sensor and the reluctor. Crucially, verify that the air gaps between the sensors and reluctors are within manufacturer specifications, as an incorrect gap can cause erroneous readings. Remember, the ABS system is designed to perform a self-diagnostic check every time the ignition is turned to the on position. The amber ABS light will illuminate briefly while the control module conducts a basic resistance check of all ABS circuits. If all checks out, the light extinguishes after a few seconds. If a circuit is out of specification, the light will remain on, indicating a fault. Finally, let's touch on the parking brake indicator light. This light shares the brake warning light circuit. With the parking brake released and the ignition on, the brake warning light should illuminate briefly and then turn off. When the parking brake is applied, the light should come on. If the light stays on with the parking brake released, you could have a hydraulic system issue. The parking brake might not be fully releasing, or the parking brake switch itself could be faulty. By combining careful observation of these warning lights with thorough visual inspections and understanding the underlying systems, we can quickly and accurately pinpoint issues, ensuring the safety and reliability of the braking systems we service.